Now you guys come check. Go slow, don't be running. What is it? Did the reindeers eat all your carrots and cookies this time? Did Santa?
Yeah, they eat all of it. Yeah, they did.
They did this time? And the milk too, look it. He almost drank all the milk, huh? Yeah, go ahead. Sit down by Raylene, Papa, so I can see. Open it, Papa. You like the paper or what? It's from Santa, huh? You see the papers? It's from Santa? You finally got it, huh? Remember you kept asking Santa?
Where's the Ralph thing?
Cool.
Is it for a week?
Yes.
Oh.
You guys like it?
Soap? You finally got it. Santa brought you it.
Are you excited, Mama?
I get to look at the stars.
Help your sister, Papa. Okay, show me what you guys got. Ooh, let me see, Papa. Show me what you got. Wreck-It Ralph.